So how do we feel about boba tea or bubble tea? For me, I have to be honest, I'm not sold on it. I don't really like having anything in my drinks. Confused. Do I need to drink it or do I need to chew it? I'm not a huge fan, but I know many of you are, so this one's for you. And we're not just making any old boring bubble tea, we're making a matcha 2-layered bubble tea. And I wanted to show you how to make those 2 layers. It's pretty cool actually. Let's do this. Obviously what you need is tapioca pearls. I got this from an oriental shop. And you only need to boil these for 5 minutes. I'm going to put on a pot of water, boil them for 5 minutes and get back to you. I am also going to heat up my milk with sugar. That's the first chemical part. Sugar makes your fluids heavier. And that's what keeps the layers separated because the milk stays on the bottom. And when you pour in the matcha, it won't mix because the matcha is lighter than the milk. We just want to heat up the milk until the sugar has dissolved. So while the tapioca pearls are boiling, you can do that. And then let it cool off again because we want a cold drink. So the colder the better when we add our ice. The tapioca pearls have boiled for 5 minutes. I've rinsed them off thoroughly with cold water so that they cool off and put them in a glass so that you can see what it looks like. They are brown, by the way, when you get them in the bag, but they boil up black like this. Now, it's onto our matcha. For the matcha, I have my matcha powder, and I'm going to put some into here, add some water, and then whisk it. I don't have a bamboo whisk, so I use one of these. You can use this to whip milk for a cappuccino, but it works fine for matcha as well. We've made our milk heavier by adding sugar. We've boiled our tapioca pearls. We didn't add any sugar to our matcha because we want that to be the lighter fluid. And now for the final and also pretty crucial part, ice cubes, because those separate layers are so much easier to make when the liquid is ice and ice cold. So let's get some. And let's build our drink. I've moved us to our library slash photo studio slash workout room. This is where I take all my pictures, and I just took my pictures of this matcha layer bubble tea. It's not layered anymore because I stirred it while I took my pictures. So if you want to make this, let me know how you get along making those layers, although I know you'll do perfectly. And yeah, enjoy. I'll just drink the top and not eat all of those bubbles. It's like green tea on steroids. I did add quite a lot of sugar, so it's actually really nice this way. And please like and subscribe and comment and all that stuff. Thanks.